All right, guys, we got an awesome product here by Tovpade. This is their micro sander kit. So if you haven't done any sanding in your life, obviously this is going to solve some of those solutions. So this micro sander kit has designed for detailed sanding. So when you have that extra little bit you need to get around, or you have very intricate pieces you need to, it includes 54 sheets of sandpaper. Guys, at the end of the day, I don't know what sander comes with 54 sheets other than this one. That is a game changer because you can hit everything you need to. It is able to be quick change, so we can make that happen because it's a micro sander. You're not dealing with big sheets, so you don't have any issues with that. And it's comfortable, right? Ergonomic design, which makes it awesome. Let me show you here what we are working with here. Let's go ahead and look at the design of the unit itself. We got a piece out that I am working on here. And here is the design of the actual hand unit. Let's go ahead and crack it open. And you can see it has on the back of it, like a Velcro sticky side of things. That is what you're going to be utilizing to stick on the unit. And then you can see it is a nice ergonomic design. I can grab it. I have like a thumb spot. I have a spot where my finger will go, making it super simple. Now, from the scenario of my sanding strips, I have 800 grit. Okay, let me take a look at the rest of it. I got 400 grit. All right, 800, 400. I have 240, 220. Let's keep on keeping on. 160, 180. Is there any 200? So 160, 180, 150. Boom, 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 boom. And then now we're into this one, which is going to be the 120. Okay. All right, 100. Oh yeah, now we're getting into it. And then 80, all the way down to 80. So we have 800 all the way down to 80. This is somewhat gritty, so we are going to actually start with some 80 here, something a little tough. And check that out. That is the 80 grit right there. And I love this. Look how easy this is. Bam. You are rip-roaring and ready to go. And if I want to take it off, I don't need it. Just rip it off, and I can reuse it because I'm not ruining either side of it. So let's go ahead and get in here and see. Now, what I want to show you on this piece here, okay, I want to show you something kind of cool, is this is legitimate sandpaper, okay? Not any joking sandpaper right here. You can see that I am scraping off. I got some grit right there. I'm able to see that. So I can get in any angle, and you can see it working down and taking it off right there. This makes it super simple. So again, we're going to drag this down. I don't think I need the 80, but the 80 is where we're starting. Okay, and by that ergonomic design, you can see how I'm holding it here. Super simple. Now, another thing I want to notate is I have this, and these are not eating up really fast. So these are awesome when it comes to like life of them as well too. So I'm able to get quite a bit in. Now, normally I wouldn't do this large piece. I'm really working on the edges here, and there's a couple bad spots that I need to get cleaned up, right? So that is why we're working with it. And man, has it taken it down already without any problems. Guys, if you're looking, obviously you are, and you're trying to figure out, is this going to help me in my woodworking shop and the projects that I'm working on? I guarantee it. Tovpade has an awesome product that you can work with from a detailed sanding perspective. Remember, 54 different sanding pieces for your ergonomic grip. Check it out.